Hey guys, how's it going? First of all, I'd like to say thank you to all the subscribers I have that are coming to check out some of my stuff that I bring to you. So today I have here Boltune's True Wireless Earbuds. Let's check out this unboxing. So just a couple things before I go ahead and do this unboxing for you. Let's talk about that it's waterproof, okay? It's IPX8 waterproof. That means that you could submerge it underwater at least 20 meters, which is pretty damn good. And technically you could actually take a shower with these earbuds, but I mean, who the hell wants to take showers with earbuds in general? I don't know, but if you're that guy or girl, you can definitely do that. Now let's go ahead and go to battery life. Now battery life is official tissue. The charging case themselves has 42 hours of charge. That's super high. And the earbuds themselves have 7 hours. So basically, if you run out of charge on the earbuds themselves, you can put it back in the charging case and you're gonna get up to 5 extra times, which is super high. Now let's go on ahead and go to noise cancellation. So these have supposed noise cancellation, but only for phone calls. Now it's basically just gonna help the other person on the line hear you a lot more clearer and help reduce a lot of background noise, which is pretty nice. So these have touch capacitive buttons, which is really nice, and it also has USB Type-C, which is impressive to have USB Type-C on a pair of $50 budget earbuds. Not a lot of companies do that. You only get USB Type-C in like at least 100 plus, you know what I'm saying? Okay, now it's time for the unboxing. Let's check this out, guys. So one thing I really like about these is the beautiful slick design that you're gonna see of the earbuds and how nice the case is. The case has a woven design on it. It's so impressive. But let me get this crap out of the way because no one cares. I don't really care actually. And very nice right here, warranty. So just in case something happens. Then got ahead, USB Type-C. Once again, USB Type-C in a pair of $50 earbuds. Impressive. Get yourself some little ear tips, to change it out, change for your size. Now we have what matters. Put that right over there. The earbuds. Well, the case first and then the earbuds. Here you go. Look at this. Just can you look at this? Look how beautiful this is. I wish you guys were here feeling it. This woven design feels absolutely premium. It feels like a really nice carpet, like a really nice carpet. Look at this, is beautiful. Right here, USB Type-C. I love that. This one right here is to reset this just in case something happens. And one thing I really like too is that once you open up the case, they automatically turn on. And then of course, if they already, paired in, once you, flip it open, it's automatically synced and you could just start listening to it. So the pairing process is super quick. So let me go on ahead, take these out for you so you guys can see it a lot more closer here. Look at this. Right here you have the indication of touch capacitive buttons. Does it show left and right? Yeah, it is. You got right here and left right here, which is nice. Beautiful. Slick, glossy design. All this right here is glossy. Look at this, it's beautiful. Get the microphones right there on the bottom. Right now I'm doing a microphone test for the Boltune Truly Wireless Earbuds while simultaneously having background noise. Right now I just randomly found something here. What is it called? It's called Relaxing Sounds of Busy Paris. How peaceful. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know how it sounds. So it's how it's going to look like as soon as you put them in your ear. I definitely have no problem with, fit and comfort. They feel great. I personally think they look great because I don't mind the Apple ear design one. I don't really mind with that. Let's quickly talk about usage for the gym. I think these are definitely going to be perfect for that. If you're working out at home, I'm sorry, or just if a gym is open, for you, I don't think it won't be a problem. I'll show you a video right here. I was sweating profusely. They didn't come off. They will slip just a little bit, but of course with a lot of, accumulation of sweat between your ears and the silicone, eventually they're going to come off. But once you, tuck them in a little bit, you're going to be fine. So one quick thing before I go, I forgot to mention earlier, these have quick charge. So that means 10 minutes of charging these will give you 1 hour battery life, which is very impressive. Okay, guys, I really appreciate anybody who is watching this. If you guys are brand new, feel free to subscribe to me. Don't worry, I ain't going to bite. I ain't going to hurt you. I'm a nice guy. Guys, please take care and be safe.